èdè àti àṣà Yorùbá.
Ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, àlóhùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, àlóhùn àní là ń gbé ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń wò wá, tí ẹ ti ń gbọ́ wa ní orí ètò wa Èdè àti Àṣà. Yes, today we are going to be talking about tribal marks. What is tribal mark? Why do we have it, especially in Yoruba land? What is the usefulness and what is the purpose of tribal mark? These are the things we are going to be talking about today. Ní èní, a ó máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìlà kíkọ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kí ni ìdí tí àwọn Yorùbá máa fi ń kọlà? Kí ni ìwúlò ìlà kíkọ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá? Ṣé ìlà kíkọ ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ó gbayì láwùjọ ní ayé àtijọ́ àti ní òde òní? Kí ni ìyàtọ̀ tó wà láàrin wọn? Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí a máa sọ ní orí ètò àti èní ni. Ká tó máa tẹ̀síwájú, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti support wa, tí ẹ ń ràn wá lọ́wọ́, tí ẹ bá wa gbé ètò wa lárugẹ. Ẹ bá wa click, ẹ bá wa like, ẹ tún bá wa share ètò wa. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. Ní èní, gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti sọ, a ó máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn irú ìlà kíkọ tó wà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ìlà kíkọ ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n fi ń dára wọn mọ̀ ní ayé àtijọ́. Ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n fi ń ṣe oge. Ìlà kíkọ ó jẹ́ oge ṣíṣe. Ní ìgbà tí wọ́n kọ ìlà, wọ́n rí ní ayé ìgbà yẹn bí nǹkan tí wọ́n fi lè yangàn. So tribal marks, why they have it in those days in Yoruba land is because they use it as identification purpose. It is for identification, to know the family where they come from, because we have different types of tribal marks. Another reason why they use tribal mark is for beautification. Because in those days, if you don't have tribal marks, they see you as, oh, maybe your family doesn't have money. That is why in Yoruba, they always say, bí kò lówó lọ́wọ́ ni wọn ò fi kọlà fún ẹ. That is, your family don't have money. That is why they didn't give you tribal marks, especially if somebody is trying to insult them regarding tribal marks. But things are changing. We are now in a new era. So what are the things that we need to do regarding tribal marks? How can we go about it? Is it something that should be continued, or is something that should be discouraged? Before we go on, let's talk about some prominent people in our society that have tribal marks. The first person I'm going to talk about is Sir Akintola, the late Sir Akintola. He has a tribal mark. And we have Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, our former president. Check his face. He has tribal mark. We have Oba Lamido Adeyemi, Oba Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́. He has his own tribal mark too, which is the Abaja. And then we have King Sunny Ade. King Sunny Ade too has a tribal mark, one which is the Ondo type of tribal marks. So we can keep going on and on like that. We have so many people with tribal marks. In fact, I'm going to be talking about of a lady called Adetitu. This lady has a tribal mark, and she was like she was not happy with the tribal mark when she grew up, and she found out that the way the tribal marks, maybe the way people look at her. But because of this tribal mark, she was able to become a model. She's now modeling using her tribal mark, and she says she will not even trade it for anything. But she's not planning, of course, not planning to give her own children tribal mark. There are some usefulness in tribal mark in those days. Like for instance, if a child gets lost, if they are looking for a child, they can use the tribal marks on the child's cheeks or on the body to identify the family where the child comes from. The Iseyi people have tribal marks. In fact, I won't call it tribal mark, like incision on their children's tummy. When they put the incision, they will write the date the child was born, the place she was born, and her full name. They will insert it on her tummy. That is how they do their own identification. And during the slave trade, some of the people that were taken away during slave trade, when some of them have tribal mark, so when they came back, when they repatriated them back, some of them were able to use the tribal mark to locate where they come from, their family and their city. So it has its own advantages too. But the government has put a kind of ban on tribal marks in your states. I don't know of other states. Another example I'm going to give, which just happened of recent, is of a lady from the Igbo land. She was trying to look for her family, and actually she was looking for a father because the mother is Igbo tribe and they gave birth to her. When she was young, she was given tribal mark. Because of this tribal mark, it caused some problem along the line for her in the Igbo land where she found herself. So for her to be able to get in touch with the family, I'm sure people that knows the type of tribal marks, they were able to direct her to Oyo State through the tribal mark. So the type of tribal mark that people have makes them to locate their family. And that is how this lady has been brought to Oyo State in Ibadan, where they are trying to help her to locate her family. So what can we say about tribal mark again? There are so many things we can talk about tribal mark. In the comment below, I want people to put more information regarding tribal marks. What do they know? What do they think about it? Is it good to continue tribal marks? What is your own? Just put your thoughts down in the comment section. This is where we are going to stop today's program. Thank you very much. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa nílé, a ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìlà kíkọ ní èní. Ìlà kíkọ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí àwọn ènìyàn wa tí wọ́n máa ń ṣe láyé àtijọ́. A ní ìlà oríṣiríṣi, a ní ìlà olówu, a ní àbàjá, a ní gọ̀m̀bọ́, a ní oríṣiríṣi ìlà tí wọ́n ń kọ ní ayé àtijọ́. Ìdí tí wọ́n sì fi ń kọ àwọn ìlà yìí nítorí pé kí wọ́n lè dá ara wọn mọ̀, ilé tí wọ́n ti wá, ibi tí wọ́n kálukú ti ṣẹ̀ wá. Ìdí mìíràn òun ni wípé àwọn ènìyàn fi ń ṣe oge ṣíṣe ní ayé àtijọ́, òun ni ìlà jẹ́. Wọ́n máa ń kọlà láti ṣe oge ṣíṣe. Nítorí eléyìí ó jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn máa kọlà láyé àtijọ́. Ìgbà míì wọ́n á sì tún máa kọlà nítorí ọmọ tó bá jẹ́ àbíkú. Ọmọ bá jẹ́ àbíkú, wọ́n tún máa ń kọ irú ìlà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ní òde òní, ìlà kíkọ kò ṣe nǹkan tó wọ́pọ̀ mọ́. Òun la fi ní ká sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìlà kíkọ. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa nílé, tí ẹ bá ní nǹkan tàbí òmíì tí ẹ fẹ́ fi kún yìí tí a ti sọ, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ bá wa fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì yín sí ìsàlẹ̀. A tún máa kàn sí yín sí ní orí ètò wa Èdè àti Àṣà Yorùbá. Ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀. Ohùn Ànílà ń gbé lárugẹ. Àlóhùn Ànílà ń gbé lárugẹ. Ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ohùn Ànílà ń gbé lárugẹ. Ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ohùn Ànílà ń gbé lárugẹ. Ohùn Ànílà ń gbé lárugẹ. Ohùn Ànílà ń gbé lárugẹ. Àlóhùn
àní là ń gbé lárugẹ ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ ohùn àní là